got a golden ticket.
Hey.
Turn over for details.
You want a tour of the Wonka Chocolate Factory?
Oh, okay, maybe. I don't know. We'll check that out. It's too early. Dancing Man? Like 12 Lords of Leaping? Maybe?
I just had the same thought.
It's day 14.
There's more than 12 there. There's 12 in the middle, and then there's 6 more on the edges.
I just realized I forgot to review the coffee. It was okay. I wouldn't say it was a particularly offensive blend or brew or what have you, but yeah, it was just kind of not the best start to the day, but not the worst. So I've got some work to do, and then I got some presents to wrap, and yeah, that will be pretty much the day. So we'll get started. It's wine time. I'm saying it very quietly because I don't want a certain furry thing to come near it. We'll see what happens.
Crap. the perfect, oh, it's Merlot. It's Merlot.
Oh, the wine?
The perfect match, Merlot, but it's Merlot. I'm not drinking Merlot. There we go. Day 14.
14.
Day 14.
Dia 14. Okay. Don't. Oh, it's red. It's got a peppermint.
It's a red
It's got a
day.
peppermint disc on it, and gingerbread men and stars. It's a
cookies.
variety pack this time. Yes,
It's
it's cookies. Yeah.
You'll be happy. It's
You
cookies.
like cookies, right?
I'll take the whole bag.
You like cookies?
Just bring it down here.
Oh, if I handed this to you, I'm sure you'd tear it open in pretty short
She'll
order.
take it all. So, Boo's here like, what?
There.
You said what?
It's cookies, Boo. You don't like the cookies.
You don't even like them.
You don't. You DGAF the cookies. No,
But I
about the
think
cookies, rather. But yeah, this is something you like.
Under that.
Okay.
Next to the no
I
rawhide.
see it.
Rawhide sign.
I see.
Rawhide.
Yep. Yeah.
Is it a bone?
It is another bone with sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Mini bone with sweet potato. Yeah.
All right. Oh, excuse me, Bubba.
Hello. Hello, little thing. She's trying to climb my leg.
Day 14.
You go ahead and handle that. I'll handle this puppy that's trying to climb my leg.
Sasha Han hair repair. 1 fluid ounce, travel size. It looks like.
Such a one.
Sasha Juan.
It's such a one.
It's such a one. It's such a win. All right. I'll try that out.
And the choco.
Chocolate.
We're kind of banking the chocos, but
I don't know. I ate mine last night.
oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, did that just fall out?
It did. It's a bear.
It's a burr.
It feels fairly heavy. It's either solid chocolate or it's filled chocolate, but it's not hollow like the reindeers. I had one of these reindeers last night and it's hollow.
I had the hazelnutty one, I think it was last night.
Oh yeah,